Stop changing your strategy. Stop strategy hopping. If you're a beginner trader and you're watching those videos like, oh, when price touches this line and then it bounces from this line and then you wait for it to touch this line and then you enter your trade, or like if it crosses this line and then these three lines cross and then the price touches this line and then you buy. You're gonna learn the hard way. Stop doing that stuff. It's all BS. It doesn't work. Okay. So I'm gonna make this video as quick, like as short as possible, because after this video, you're gonna have a lot of work to do. So I have a list of things. Okay. I've written down the only things that you need to know. So the only things that you need to learn. Once you watch this video, I want you to actually go and learn about these things that I'm about to tell you, okay? The first thing you need to learn, okay? You don't need any more indicators, okay? Get rid of all your indicators. You're not going to need them after this. The first thing you need to learn is market structure, okay? Once you learn market structure, you need to learn what supply and demand is. Once you learn what supply and demand is, you need to learn what this thing that not a lot of people know, but you need to learn this thing that's called premium versus discount, okay? And then you need to learn liquidity. Number four. Number four is liquidity. And then the next one, which is kind of 4.1, because it's kind of like liquidity, but we're just going to call it number five. Number five, inducement. Okay. And number six, you need to learn what a change of character is. Okay. That's basically, I just explained to you what smart money concept is. Okay. Once you learn those six things, learn smart money concepts. Or if you really want, you can learn ICT as well. Well, not as well, pick one. Either ICT or smart money concept. And for those people that are like, smart money concept doesn't work, only ICT works. Actually, smart money concept doesn't work if you don't understand the concept of inducement. If you know what inducement is, then smart money concept works. Okay? So learn those six things. That's basically your homework. Learn those six things, and you basically have the foundation to become a profitable trader. Obviously, once you learn those six things, it doesn't mean like you just become a profitable trader. You're still gonna have to trade on the live markets, and in doing so, you will learn new things. You learn how the market moves. You learn, oh, this is how liquidity looks like in the real markets, or like this is how premium versus discount actually affects the markets in real time. Things like that. You start to learn when some supply or demand zones are less likely to get hit based on volatility. You start to learn these things as you progress in your trading journey. But you need to still understand those six things as like your foundation to actually improve off of. And then once you've done that, then you have to get your emotional side and your psychology in check. Because after that, your psychology is basically what stops 99% of traders from actually becoming profitable. So I've written some things down. I wrote some things not to do just so your psychology is in check. There's also a bunch of psychology videos that break down psychology by itself. You can find those as well. But some key do not do's when it comes to trading psychology. The first thing is care about the money and being attached to the P&L. If you start to care about the money and you start to care about your P&L, you will not become profitable. And that's why people say don't use your lost savings for trading, because if you do that, then naturally, or unless you're a psychopath, you're gonna care about the P&L. You're gonna start to worry if price goes down and your P&L is going down, because it's the only money you have, and that's why you should only trade the money that you're comfortable in losing, so that your psychology is in check. Second thing, thinking a loss is bad. Did you know no one has a 100% win rate? So let's say you learn those six things, you master smart money concept, and then you take a trade and it follows your strategy completely. Like everything, there's nothing wrong with the trade. Guess what? You could still lose the trade. The time that you should be frustrated with a losing trade is if you lost a trade because you didn't stick to your strategy. Okay, let's say your strategy is you want to see a higher time frame. You want to see where the market structure is on the higher time frame. You want to see a higher time frame liquidity sweep. and then you want a medium time frame POI, like a supply or demand zone, and you also want resting liquidity above that POI, and then you want a lower time frame change of character, and then you're targeting previous highs or lows. Let's say that's your strategy, okay? You take a trade based on that strategy, and then you lose the trade. That's fine. Think of it like a business expense or something, because you're going to lose trade. But if you didn't follow your strategy and you took a losing trade, you see, now that's bad. That's when you can get mad at yourself. And if you do things like that, you better stop, or else you're not going to become profitable. And the third thing is not journaling. If you don't journal, how are you going to get better? Journaling is the equivalent to, like, in video game terms, if any of you guys are video gamers, it's like, let's say you play Fortnite, it's like bod reviewing, you know? Once you finish a tournament, once you finish scrims, you go back with your duo or your solo, and then you VOD review. You watch your replays. You see what you did bad. You see what you did good. You see opportunities. Okay. Same thing with, like, let's say if you play basketball, it's watching back your games, because, like, there's like a camera. You just, after your games, you watch back your games, and then you learn. You see what you could have did. See what you did wrong. You see, like, your positioning and everything. It's the same thing. Once you have the foundation, which is the 6 things that I just told you, and learning smart money concept or ICT, then it's just, you just got to get better at it. And you get better at it by journaling, so that you can see your mistakes and then you can improve off of that. But that's basically it. I just saved you a year of your time. No more watching scam YouTubers. But anyways, I have a free Discord. Join that, full of traders who are committed and are also willing to help. So if you want to fast track that journey of becoming a profitable trader, you can join the Discord. And if you're really serious and you really want to fast track your trading journey, I have a one-on-one coaching program, which is completely tailored for you. It's just me helping you with the trading personally. And if that sounds interesting, you can apply to work with me using the first link in the description. Bye.